Hey guys, let's check out Amazon now. Just being launched on Amazon. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. आप कैसे हो? नल्ला इरकिंगला. As you see here, we have ordered some of the products in grocery on Amazon, which is delivered in just 10 minutes. And you have a zero delivery and handling fee. You can get a gift wrap also, as shown in the picture. And you have foreign products. You have international products on Amazon. This is a pretty small handbag for women and girls. You can check out this product. I'll provide the link in the description box. It's a leather bag. It seems pretty cool, right? And it's an Australian product. You can check out the link in the description box. And next comes Jovan white musk. This is exclusively for women, made in Spain, dermatologically tested and proven that it is natural, because all the natural goes into this perfume. It gives superb fragrance with a blend of vanilla, jasmine and amber. It lasts spanning to 4 to 6 hours. It's a nice product. Next we have this Nike. You all know it's been established in 1929. It's a brand product. It's made in Spain again. It's exclusively for men. It's an indigo scent. This perfume is not strong, but it is safe on your skin with all natural ingredients going into it. Anyways, if you want a discount, you can collect the coupon under the product to get discount. Next we'll see the grocery on Amazon now, and you have plenty of offers. You have ice creams and lots of grocery stuff. You can go for this American nuts ice cream, tutti frutti ice cream. It tastes good. And next we have veggies and fruits on Amazon now. As you see in the picture or the video, you have this cumin seeds just at 15 rupees. At 70% off. You have oils. We got this oil packet at 95 rupees. So avail all these offers on Amazon and get cashback of 50 rupees if your order value is above 499 rupees. Anyways, now we'll see as how to order on Amazon now. Go to Amazon. Amazon now pops up for you. You can click on claim now and go shopping on Amazon now with lots of grocery deals, and also you have steel deals as well. You can see oil at 40% off, jeera 90% off, and lots of other stuff available. You go down and check with the steel deals as well. And let me tell you, you have zero fees of delivery, handling and other charges on your first order. And cashbacks are available on order value $4.99. Okay, as you're watching in the video, if you want any product, you can go in the search bar and give the product name and select the price range and add the products to your cart. And let me tell you, if you want to place an order on Amazon now, the minimum order should be 99 rupees. For Amazon Prime members and for others, it's 149 rupees. After adding all the products to the cart, click on proceed. And here you can see cashback of 50 rupees. After placing the order, you have free delivery and zero handling charges. You tap on select address and place your order. That's it, done. Your cashback would be selected once the order is delivered home. Now, to avail Amazon awards, go to Amazon, tap on rewards. Once you tap on rewards, you can scratch the cards after placing the order, and you can go to Amazon Fresh if you want 200 off or cashback and collect the coupons as well. Then place your order. That's it, done. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.